Hi, to enable or disable active noise cancelling on your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5, as a first step, open the Xiaomi Earbuds application. Here, we would need to open this tab which is named Gestures, and here scroll to the end. As you can see here, we got these two gestures which are press and hold left and right earphone, which means that we have the gesture which can enable or disable active noise cancelling. Also, by clicking on the left or right press and hold, here we can choose how and which action will happen when we will do this action. So the sensors on these earbuds are located on the leg, and if we will take a close look on it, the sensors are right here on the black light in the middle. And if you would like to switch between these three modes, which is noise cancellation, transparency, and turn off, we would just need to press and hold any of the earbuds, because by default on both of the earbuds you can switch between the modes and also the noise cancelling. This is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.